Hi friends, Paige here with m.a.b.e.l, and today I want to show you this amazing grandmother's flower garden quilt that I got a few weeks ago. So I love grandmother's flower gardens, and this one, it's just amazing. It has got, each flower is surrounded by yellow, and if you know me, you know how much I love yellow, or there are some that are peach and yellow together. Super great combo. I also love how each flower has this tiny green border going around it in diamonds. The hexies are small on this. They're only about an inch, and I love this small scale. So precious. This quilt also has an amazing ice cream border, which is super fun. I absolutely love that border. So when I bought the quilt, my intention was to somehow make either a jacket or a popover that incorporated that ice cream border. However, when I opened the quilt up, it is full of holes. And I am not sure how these holes came about, because the quilt is in good shape aside from those holes. The stitching is solid, and there's not any dry rot like I've gotten quilts before where the fabric is just so dry that it sort of disintegrates in your hand. That's not the case with this. The quilt came, it was quite dirty, and I saw the holes, and knowing that I was going to try to make it into a garment, I did wash it, because I know that my customers, if they get a top from me or a garment from me, they will need to wash it eventually. So I always wash my quilts. This one I put straight in the washer, gentle cycle but hot water, and it came out so beautiful. The holes did not get any bigger. There were no new holes, but the original ones are still there. So now I'm at a loss and trying to figure out what I will be able to do with this. I'm going to try to lay out my pattern pieces, but there's really not enough contiguous area without a big hole, I think, to be able to do either my jacket or my popover. So stick with me on this one. I'm going to walk you through the process, and maybe we'll end up with a jacket, maybe not. Maybe we'll have a bunch of nice tote bags. Anyways, it is a beautiful quilt, and I will find a use for it. So I will see you later. We try to do something with it. Bye for now. If you enjoy content like this, hit like and subscribe, and you'll see plenty more like it. Thank you.